guys, it's Tyler, and today I'm going to be teaching you about shove it. What a shove it is basically you put your back foot on the tail of the board, as like in an ollie, and your front foot right below the front bolt, with your toes slightly over the board. When you do a shove it, you want to stand still while moving, and shove the board in a 180 motion around and land as clean as you can on the bolt. You want your front foot slightly over the edge of the board when you do it, so that you can have control of where the board's going, so it doesn't go flying randomly and flying up and you land on your nuts.
Ow!
Or to shove it, once you learn that, you can just shift like a shove it, a regular shove it, and then once you do that, you can learn the inwards, the 360s, and the big spins. In my next session, I'll be teaching you about it.